Welcome back. This is Evgeny's Volvo XC70, and after winter he has noticed a problem. Chipped paint on the door trim panels. Over here you can see the paint is fallen off and there is corrosion underneath. The metal has corroded. The reason is unknown, probably stone chips, salt, whatever. And same problem on the passenger side front door. Over here, 2 spots, missing paint. Evgeny will show us today how to replace those trim panels, so let's get started. The decision was just to get new parts instead of refinishing the old ones, so let's do an unpacking here of the front door panel. It's made of metal and it's painted, and it says at the back here it's made in Czech Republic. So we're gonna replace today 2 door panels. The rest are still in okay condition. And let's unpack the rear door panel. Same thing, made of metal, painted. For all additional part numbers and more information, please look in the description below. I will post everything at the bottom of the page. Tools that you will need, you'll need the rivets themselves, and again the part numbers will be in the description below. You'll need a rivet gun, a 6mm drill bit by Vida, and actually we're going to be using 2, 4 and 6mm, and some painter's tape to protect the door panels from the actual rivet gun. Now the painter's tape, we're gonna put a few layers on the edge of the panel, because what's gonna happen is that the rivet gun might jump from the rivet and it might damage the new door panel. So Evgeny is gonna put at least 6 to 8 layers to make sure it's well protected. So the first panel is almost done. And now to the second panel. Now from the drill bits, Vida tells you to use a 6mm. We're going to be using 2, 4 and 6mm drill bits to properly drill out the rivets. Let's start from the front passenger door, lower the window, and to expose the rivets you need to pull out this door seal. Just pull it outwards carefully and it will pop out from its position. You can now see the rivets, one on top, one at the bottom, and the middle one is missing on the restyled XC70. The pre-restyled is gonna have also the middle rivet. Next we need to remove this door seal. You need to use some plastic bone tool. Make sure you don't use a screwdriver because you're gonna damage the paintwork. Carefully just pry it out. It just sits on the edge of the door snugly. And before completely removing it, you need to slide it out from under the door mirror frame. Just like that. And now you can see the rubber groove that sits on the door edge. We're gonna start from the top rivet using 6mm drill bit to drill out the outer portion of the rivet. And notice Evgeny made a catch to catch any swerve from the tape. And now we're gonna use a smaller drill bit to drill out the actual core of the rivet. And now we can collect some of the swerve in the tape. Pretty good idea. The bottom rivet, same thing, 6mm drill bit to drill out the top portion of the rivet, and some tape to catch any swerve to make it a cleaner job. After drilling out the 2 rivets, you can gently pull out the door panel. After removing the door panel, we can drill out the core of the rivets using smaller drill bits. Right now we are working on the top rivet and then the bottom one. And vacuum cleaner will make it easier to catch some extra swarf. And now to the bottom rivet. Installing the new panel, just slide it back in its position. And now using the rivet gun, even if it's gonna jump off, the panel itself is protected with the tape. And the upper rivet is done. Let's take a closer look where the rivet gun actually touched the panel on the protected area. We're gonna zoom in and just take a look. This is where the tape has protected the panel, and over here. Removing the protective tape and reinstalling back the seal. And last touch is to reinstall the door window seal. Make sure that first of all you slide it under the door mirror frame, and then you want to attach it to the actual door. This completes the repair on the front door. Now we're gonna move to the back door and do the same. Lower the window and carefully pry out the door window seal using a bone tool. Don't use a screwdriver and it will pop out. Next, remove the seal, carefully pull on it and watch there is a catch at the bottom. Now before completely taking out the seal, watch there is a plastic catch over here, and it actually clips into place on the door. So before pulling on it, use a bone tool to gently pry it out. Temporarily tape the seal to the door so it's not in the way. And now we're gonna move to the other seal, carefully pull on it and then slide it out from the door, and also tape it to the door so it doesn't interfere. Now the rear door panel has 3 rivets, and the problem is that the bottom rivet over here, it's hidden by the door panel. So to get to it, we'll need to disassemble the door panel to remove it. So that's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna remove the door panel. To do that, first you need to pop out this cover using a bone tool and then unscrew the 25 Torx screw. Now you can pry out the door panel. Start at the bottom using a bone tool and then just firmly pull towards you, and it will disengage the clips around. And now you are ready to pull upwards on the panel. Disconnect everything that you see. And now in detail, we need to first of all disconnect the button connector for the window regulator, the connector from the tweeter, the illumination at the bottom on this car connector, the door handle illumination connector, and the actual cable for the door handle. The bottom rivet is hidden behind this rubber plug. Just pull on it, and before drilling, make sure that you raise the window so you don't break the window when you're gonna drill it out. We're gonna drill out first the very bottom rivet. Then we're gonna work on the middle rivet. This one gave a little bit trouble. And last, top rivet. Now you're ready to carefully pull out upwards on the door panel. And reinstalling the new in reverse. The bottom rivet is in place, and now we can reinstall one of the seals, and make sure that once it's in position, make sure you clip it in place at the bottom. And the remaining two rivets, one at the top, one in the middle. And the three rivets are in place. Now we can reinstall the front seal. Just take your time, carefully put it into position. Reinstalling in reverse the door window seal in position. Just make sure you align it so the gaps are even, and then push on it to engage. Put the rubber plug back in its place. Reconnect all connectors in reverse to the door panel. And now you can reposition the door panel. First of all, thread the door lock through the panel and engage it on top on the groove. And now you can work your way around to engage all the clips by tapping on the panel. Screw back and pop in the cover that hides the screw. This completes the repair, and it was the best decision to just put brand new parts. It gives you the best result, and the result is great. Let's thank Evgeny for all his time and effort on sharing this repair with us. I hope that this video will help someone, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. So please like it, subscribe to my channel, and there is more to come. Thank you and bye bye guys.